Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll be discussing about how we made this business successful using Google Smart Campaign, or you can say Google Smart Ads. Okay, so first of all, let's get to know about this business. So you can see the website name is Aussie Coffee Roasters. So they're from Western Australia, and this is their website, or you can say online shop where they used to sell different types of coffees. Okay, so you can see over here they used to provide free coffee cupping and tasting sessions every Saturday for all coffee lovers. Okay, so if you want, you can uh, go to their physical store and you can try this. Okay, perfect. And why you should choose their coffee. So they're mentioning some of the terms like coffee made with love, 10% off senior discount. Okay, so they're providing discount for seniors, 10%. Okay, moms need coffee, free upgrade. Okay, grab a coffee on the way. The perfect cup of coffee. So if you want, you can order online. Okay, perfect. And you can directly contact to them. Actually, they're based in Canningville, Western Australia, and they are operating their services Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. So this is their physical location. Okay. So I'm running Google Smart Ads for them. Okay. So if you want, then you can uh, read their About Us section, like Aussie Coffee Roasters is located in Canningville, Western Australia, and commenced roasting in January 2019. We are a specialty coffee roaster company primarily focused on African, Southeast Asian, and South American origin beans. Okay, so they're mentioning some brief about their cafe. Okay, if you want, you can read them. Then this is their physical store. This is their outlet actually. The origin of coffee, then free coffee testing. They're providing free coffee testing on Saturday. If you want, you can go to their physical store and taste a cup of coffee. Okay. They're mentioning their vision and mission. So if you want, you can read it. And they used to provide wholesale as well. Okay. If you want to ask any question, then can click on this button and inquire now. Okay. Perfect. So and they're providing buy any two products and receive a free Aussie coffee roaster cup. Okay, so this is their USPs they're mentioning in their website. So let's go to the Google Ads campaign. So you can see over here, uh, I've been running their ads for almost a year now. Okay, so you can see over here this, and they're only focusing on Google uh smart ads, I should say. So you can see we have generated more than 20K clicks, total conversion 6.7K, cost per conversion 2.95 Australian dollar, and total cost is around 20K dollars. So if I go to the campaign section, mm, and this is the campaign we're currently running. So get your coffee boost now. So if I click on it, then you can see over here total spend is around 15K, more than 15K, and we have generated 537K impressions. Total click is around 15.7K, and local action is around 11.3K. Actions showing intent to visit. So this is local store visits, and we have generated 21 phone calls. Okay. So if I click on view performance detail, then we'll get the all performance details of the campaign. Okay, perfect. Then you can see over here, if you want, you can review your search terms. So if I click on it, then these are the search terms. Okay, so if you want, you can review it, like breakfast near me, blend cafe, coffee shop, Starbucks near me, coffee beans near me. Okay, so I'll keep them. So I'm gonna disable these two because these two are not needed uh for this campaign actually. So if I want to see all the search terms, then I can click on it. Yeah, but I can do it from there as well. So if I click on search term, then I'm gonna disable this one and this one and click on save. Okay, perfect. And you can see search term reports and keywords themes. So I'm gonna click on this edit section. Then you can see the search term reports coffee near me. This one has got the most amount of spend. So if I sort it using the clicks, okay, coffee near me, this one almost 27, 2.7K clicks. Cafe near me, cafes near me, coffee shop near me, cafes, coffee, cafe, best coffee shop near me, coffee shops near me. Okay, so if you want, you can review them. And this is the keyword themes. So for creating Google Smart Campaign, you need to give some keyword themes. So I had given keyword themes like coffee shop, coffee beans online, wholesale flavor, coffee beans, roasted coffee beans, cafe with Wi-Fi, cafe with outdoor seating, cafe with meeting room, cafe with breakfast menu, cafe with lunch menu, organic cafe. So if you want, you can customize it as per your requirements. Okay, but for the time being, I'm gonna stay with them. Then if you want, you can add some negative keywords, like I have added them as the negative keywords. Okay, or negative themes actually. Then we have an option called add text, images, and landing page. So for smart ads, you can run 3 ads at the same time. Okay, so I'm running 3 ads. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So if I try to show you the ads, okay, so we have ad text, images, landing page, and business info. So let's start with the ad text. Okay, so this is the ad text. So if I click on edit ad, then you can see over here we have we can provide 15 headlines. Okay, for the time being, I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want, you can use 15 headlines. Okay, adding 3 headlines or more will help your ad performance. So this is the recommendation by Google. So as the headline one, I am providing the text as get your coffee boost now. Then as the headline 2, love your morning coffee, enjoy fresh roasted coffee as the headline 3. And as headline 4, I'm using order online pickups as you go. So yeah, you have the options for entering 15 headlines. If you want, you can provide them, but I'm getting good performance using this 4. Okay, then as the description, you can enter 4 description. Okay, and if you want, you can delete these ads, and you can see the preview. So this is the ads preview. So this is the headline, this is description, and this is our physical store. uh then this is the phone number. Okay, so I'm gonna click on cancel. Then I'll go to the edit ad again. No, actually, I'll go to the image section. So in the ad section, then you can see add 1, add 2, and add 3. So you have reached the maximum number of ads for this campaign. So in a single campaign, you are eligible to run 3 ads. Okay, so you can see this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And in the images section, I'm using these images. Okay, you have option for entering rectangular images, then square images, you can enter logos. Okay, then in the landing page section, if I click on edit, then you have two options here actually. You can send people to your website or you can send people to your business profile. So I'm sending people to my business profile because I want to get more physical store visit. And you can see over here, I'm including the lead form. Okay, perfect. Then as the business info, I'm gonna click on this one. So this is our business info. This is the location actually I'm using. So if you want, you can customize it. And this is the phone number I'm using. So you can customize it as per your requirements. Okay, perfect. Let's. So here is the location option actually. If you want, you can edit your location as per your requirements from there, from the edit section. So I'll keep it this one. And as the daily budget, I'm using $45.50. Okay. So if you want, you can customize your budget as per your requirement. So we don't have so many options for customizing Google smart ads or smart campaigns. So what you can do, you can check the search term reports um, on a daily basis. So I used to do it in every 72 hours. Okay, so for search ad and uh, sh- smart ads as well. So yeah, you can check it in every 7 to 2 hours, or if you want, you can check it on a daily basis. No worries. So I used to check these search term reports. Then I used to add them if they are necessary, and I used to add them as negative keywords if they are not necessary. Okay. And what you can do, you can A/B test the ads for 30 days. Actually, you can create 3 ads in first 30 days, and on the basis of performance, you can change the ads headlines, description, and test different things actually. So this is how we made this business successful using Google Smart Ads. You can see. So they're only running Google Smart Ads. Okay. So yeah, this is how we have made this campaign successful. We have made this business profitable. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. And if you want any services from us, hopefully you have known about our services. We used to provide Google Ads services, Facebook Ads services, Google Analytics 4 services, Google Tag Manager services, server-side tagging services, any web analytics services, and uh, media buying services. Okay, so you can let us know. We have provided our WhatsApp number, email. You can directly call us, and then hopefully we will have a great collaboration together. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a great day. Bye bye.